back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 utility stashes. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming up that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. As mentioned earlier, today we're going to be talking about the Air Jordan 1 utility stashes. This is quite a unique sneaker, I must say. I feel like I don't even need to wear a purse when I'm rocking these. But we are going to start out with the overview, then jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this really cool militaristic looking sneaker. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. This is one of the coolest sneakers I feel like I have seen, just because of all of the compartments that they added throughout the sneaker. It is so crazy cool. Starting with the front of the color scheme here, this is a very, very soft material. It's actually not rough or leather textured. It's just a very smooth, almost silky feeling fabric in this metallic charcoal gray. On the front, we do have a metallic black color scheme that complements, I feel like, that charcoal gray quite nicely. As we work our way up to the tongue, we've got black laces and just a simple black nylon tongue with some gold writing on the top. It says Air Jordan 1 High OGSP type, utility 001. And really cool kind of military scripture writing there in that gold font. And then as far as the eyelets go, this is really nice as well, just because those are in a metal material, which kind of just gives it, again, that material, that militaristic feel and look. So let's take a look at those details and then we'll move along to the side paneling. All right, so moving along to the side panels, we have this really just cool shiny nylon material. One of the coolest parts of the sneaker is the side paneling and how we do have these little stash pockets here. It looks like we've got just a little foam in there, but it's interesting. You'll have to let me know in the comments down below, what would you stash in these little stash pockets? We have this pull tab as well in this pop of red color scheme. And then we've got the swoosh mark on top in that patent black colorway, which really pops quite nicely on top of that pocket there. As we wrap around, you'll notice that we do have this really cool linking system here, and this is just a really cool way to link these pockets. But also, if you actually want to detach this, you can actually detach this. This reminds me of the back of a bra, to be quite honest with you.
Go on.
This is the same kind of lock system that you've got here. So if you know how to unlock a bra, you'll know how to unlock these stash pockets, specifically the one on the back here. But we do have this bigger stash pocket on the heel. We do have the Jordan branding on the back in gold, and that could fit some, you know, some quality stuff in there. I feel like you could put change, money. I'm trying to think, I could even put a lip gloss in there. There's so many things, but again, let me know, what would you stash in these sneakers if you had them? Wrapping around to the other side paneling, we do have that Jordan Wings logo in the metallic black colorway on top of that grayish nylon, and then another stash pocket. So if you didn't think you could fit everything on one side, you have dual sides there. On the interior, we have red for the insole with black for the Nike Air. And then the cool part about this is really a remix sneaker. They decided to really use the bottom of an Air Jordan 1 silhouette for the base of this. So we do have classic white midsole and then that simplistic black outsole. Let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so before we move on to sizing, this also came with a tote bag. So this actually matches the nylon perfectly. It's in that metallic charcoal gray color scheme. We've got the Air Jordan logo with the wings on there in gold. And this is a really cool tote. I mean, I live in New York and I'm always carrying tote bags around, but this is a nice size. So if you want something to really match these perfectly, that's a great option to have just a little tote bag to bring around with you. All right, so I almost forgot to mention, because I just pulled this little postcard out, but this actually shows you like that these actually fit in the bag itself. But since the back of this actually detaches, this little stash bag here, you can actually attach these stash bags onto here, because I was wondering what these little kind of hooks were, but you can actually attach that on the bag itself if you want another extra additional pocket on here. All right, so now let's jump into size and fit on these. So again, I'm typically in my Air Jordan 1 silhouettes, true to size. So I went true to size with this one. And I would say stick true to that. If you do have higher narrow feet like myself, that would make sense. But if you do have flatter, wider feet, this could actually differentiate a size that works best for you, just because we have different types of feet. All right, now let's talk about styling. Again, just really cool remix of features with this shiny nylons going on. And then of course, we've got a very militaristic look. And so I really want to complement that with my different outfits that I chose. So for the first look, I decided to wear some cargo pants and I wore just a nice cropped black ribbed tank. And I feel like black goes quite nicely with this. Obviously, black cargo pants are going to go great with this as well. All black is kind of been my go-to, so I had to go with an all black look for that first choice. Second look, I decided to wear a cropped button-down black sleeved shirt, and black, obviously, again, one of my favorite color options, I feel like, to really combine with this, since there is so much black in this. And then for the bottoms, I decided to wear some black tight-fitted bell-bottom pants for just more of a, a little sexier, more feminine look. But obviously, guys, you can wear baggy cargos and baggy black sweats. I think they are both great options, even in a gray color scheme. And for the last and final look, I wore just some denim shorts. Denim also goes great with this. I just chose a lighter denim shade. And then for the top, I wore just a sleeveless black shirt. So you let me know down below, was your favorite look out of 3, or how would you style these?
Look, yeah, I took some losses, but I turned it to a window. Loving where you at, they ain't seen where you been though. See the numbers, I'ma run it up again. I can take it over when I want to, cause I can. Ain't nothing left, I had to get right. We ain't worried about no critics all on this show. I've been at the top since I came over.
Now let's complete how these are competing on the resale market. So these retailed at $175 and they're currently going between $165 to $215. So, you know, there's a little bit of resale on there. It's not too crazy, but I do think that this is just a really unique, different sneaker. And obviously it is useful because we do have all of these different stash pockets all throughout the silhouette. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. If you are new and joined us here for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also be sure to check out that join button because we have some amazing membership perks as well as a great merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all on the next episode.